The United Nations International Criminal Tribunal for the Former Yugoslavia. Landmark cases. More than 70 individuals have been charged with crimes of sexual violence, including sexual assault and rape. As of early 2011, almost 30 have been convicted. Since its inception, the ICTY has carried out extensive investigations and prosecution of wartime sexual violence, raising a number of indictments for sexual violence committed in Bosnia and Herzegovina as early as 1995. Since then, more than 70 individuals have been charged with crimes of sexual violence, including sexual assault and rape. As of early 2011, almost 30 have been convicted. In a number of landmark judgments, the tribunal advanced the development of international justice in the realm of gender crimes by enabling the prosecution of sexual violence as a war crime, a crime against humanity and genocide. Ultimately, rape ceased to be perceived as the unrestrained sexual behavior of individuals and was recognized as a powerful tool of war, used to intimidate, persecute, and terrorize the enemy. Kozarac was the first ever trial for sexual violence against men. The trial of the former Bosnian Serb Democratic Party's local board president from Kozarac, northwestern Bosnia and Herzegovina, made history in many ways. It was the first international war crimes trial since Nuremberg and Tokyo. It was also the first international war crimes trial involving charges of sexual violence. The trial proved to the world that the nascent international criminal justice system could end impunity for sexual crimes, and that punishing perpetrators was possible. The trial chamber found out how, after taking over the area of Kozarac in northwestern Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serb forces confined thousands of Muslims and Croats in camps. In a horrific incident in the Omarska camp, one of the detainees was forced by uniformed men, including Kozarac, to bite off the testicles of another detainee. In May 1997, the trial chamber found Tadic guilty of cruel treatment, violation of the laws and customs of war, and inhumane acts, a crime against humanity, for the part he played in this and other incidents. 2 years later, on appeal, Tadic was additionally sentenced for grave breaches of the 1949 Geneva Conventions, inhumane treatment, and willfully causing great suffering or serious injury to the body or health. In the judgment, the appeal chamber set out that, through his presence, Kozarac aided and encouraged a group of men actively taking part in the assault. Of particular concern here is the cruelty and humiliation inflicted on the victim and the other detainees. In January 2000, Kozarac was sentenced to 20 years imprisonment. Incidents of sexual violence against men were also examined in all the cases before the tribunal, among which were Kozarac, Mujic et al., Todorovic, and Simic.